I was going to ask a little bit about some of the services you offer. I know you do pressure, but you mentioned low pressure power washing. Just walk us through kind of the main things that you take care of and who do you best serve?
Yeah. So our company does residential and commercial, but we mainly focus on residential, people's homes. So we advertise low pressure house washing. The traditional way of washing a house in the past has been take a high pressure power washer and knock it off the surface. Algae, mildew, dirt, cobwebs, and so on, just knock it off the surface. Obviously, that has caused a lot of damage in the power wash industry, where people have damaged paint, damaged surfaces, and so on. And it actually doesn't clean the organic growth on the house. So what we've done through lots of years of doing this, we do several hundreds of houses a year, and we've developed proprietary soaps and processes to be able to treat the algae growth on the house. Okay. So we got the trucks with the big power washers, but we use low pressure tips, and we utilize surfactants and soaps that target and kill the organic growth on the house. Okay. And then also clean the surface up really well as well. And with the low pressure tips, we're able to rinse, apply, and then rinse off the soaps. We let the soap do the work, and so we're not up there on ladders or anything, and we're not blasting stuff off. And because if you go out with a high pressure power washer and knock all that black and green off, it normally will come back in 6 to 8 months because you didn't kill the spores.
Okay.
But if you put our types of soaps that target that organic growth, it kills the spores, and that's why we offer an 18-month mold-free guarantee on a house. So, and in most cases, our customers, as far as organic growth, can be good for several years.
Okay.
So,
well, that's awesome. That's something I did not know. I thought you could just go rent your own pressure washer, which I guess you could, but it sounds like there's some damage that can be done and some.
Yeah.
And
if you don't know what you're doing with the power washer, you can only hurt yourself, but you can damage your surface, your vehicle, or whatnot. You got to be really careful with the type of tips and stuff you use.